Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a schedule of posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So for your video today, I'm going to be unboxing the Ottie Easy One Touch 4 dash and windshield mount. So this is what it looks like. Let me open it up for you guys so you can kind of see the inside of it. So this is what the inside looks like. At first I thought it was really tiny, but it's the perfect size for me. And I drive a 2015 Jetta, Volkswagen Jetta. So hopefully this will go well with my dash, fit well on my dash. So I'm just giving you a 360 of what it looks like. Now let's open it. So I'm just gonna back you guys up here so you guys can see. Do I have any scissors? I'll just use, there we go, that worked. So I'm just going to open this. Get rid of that packaging because we don't need that. Sorry, I kind of tore this up a little bit, but that's okay. So here's what you get in the box. Sorry if you hear my brother. So this is what you get in your box. You get the dash mount. I'm gonna need to unscrew this. So that comes apart. And then you get this little thing, which I'm not going to remove because I'm going to put this in my car later on. But basically what you do is you screw this on like this. No. I saw a video of how to do this. So you screw it on like this. Nice and firm. Like that. And then you put it onto the mount like this. Like that. And that's what it looks like. All mounted. And I cannot wait to use this. So how you put your phone in here, and then to get your phone out, all you do is you press these two little handles and these arms will come out, and then to put your phone in, if you want to put your phone in, all you do is you press that and it secures. Let me go let my dog in. So that is the Ottie One Touch 4 mount. And here's an instruction book or an instruction manual on how to use it. So you have how to mount it to your dash, how you can configure all the telescopic arm extends from 5 inches to 8.3 inches, which is awesome. So look forward to some car vlogs. And then here's an extra. This is what you put on your dash before you put the mount on. So, and then you can adjust these little legs down here. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Sorry about the weird angle and how everything is. But other than that, I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful. And please thumbs this video up, smash that like button, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.